Hi, my name is Muhammad Adam Shahril bin Basirun, KIB 10028. I am from Group 14. So right now, I will construct two type of Thevenin Norton circuit. So the first one, I will draw the circuit as shown in this picture. So I will put the voltage source right here. Next, I will put the resistor right here. Next, I will put the second resistor right here. Next, I will put another resistor right here, and the last one I will put it right here. So right now I want to connect all the component in this circuit. Alright, so next I will put the value for this source as I have decided the value for my group. So for the voltage, we decide to put it as 4 volt. Next, for the resistor one, we put the value as the value is 99 ohm. Next, for the second resistor, we decided to put the value is 327 ohm. Next, for the third resistor, we decided to put the value which is 500 ohm. And the last one, for the resistor 4, we decided to put the value is 1000 ohm. Okay, so next we want to get the reading from the table of DC result. So this is the value that we get. So this is the Thevenin circuit one result. So as you can see, so this is the table that I've made it. So this is the voltage source, this is the R1, R2, R3, R4, and this is the R2. So in this case, I want to put the voltage in at R4 that measured. It means that from the measure that we get the value from Tina. So the voltage at R4 that we get from the reading is 1.95 volt. So we put it the value as 1.95 volt. So next, for the current at R4, which is measured in the Tina that we get it is 1.95 milliampere. So we put it in the Excel. So the value is 0.00195. So next, we want to get the voltage measured. So at the Tina, we remove the R4 right here. Next, we put the symbol like this. Next, I want to get the reading from the table of DC result. So the reading that we get it is 3.07 volt. So we put it in the Excel. So for the IM measured from the Tina that we get it is so the value is 5.33 milliampere. So we put the value which is 0.00533 milliampere. So that's the value that we get from Tina. So the value that we get from our calculation, okay, I start with the R Thevenin that I calculated. So this is the calculation that I get from the that I get calculation for R Thevenin. So next, for V Thevenin that I get V Thevenin that calculated that I get from the calculation is this. So next, the IC calculated that I get from the calculation is from this. This is my calculation. So next, for the R4, the current in R4 that's calculated from my calculation is that I get from this. So that's all for Thevenin secret 1. Now I will proceed with the circuit, the second type of Thevenin circuit, which is this. The circuit will be like this. So right now I will construct the circuit. I will put the voltage source right here. Next I will put the resistor right here. Next I will put the second resistor right here. Next I will put the third resistor right here. Next I will put the fourth resistor right here. And next the fifth resistor I will put it right here. So right now I will connect all the components in this circuit. So next I will put the value for each component. So for the voltage source we put it as 4 volt and the signal is sine wave. Right, so for the resistor 1 we decided to put it, the value is 99 ohm. Next for the second resistor we decided to put it, the value is 327 ohm. Next for the R3 we decided to put it as 500 ohm. Next for the R4 we decided to put it as 1000 ohm. Next for the R5 we decided to put it as 150 ohm. So next I want to get the reading from the DC analysis. So this is the reading that I get it. So this is the Thevenin circuit result. So this is my table. So right now my aim is I want to get the voltage in R4 that measured from retina. So the value is that we get from retina is 1.8 volt. So we put it into the Excel. So for the current in R4 that measured from retina, we will get the value is 1.8 milliampere. So we put it in the Excel. So the value is 0.0018 ampere. So next, I want to get the voltage M that measured from the retina. So right now I will remove this component and replace by this. So the value that we get is 0.15 volt. So we put it into the so right now I want to get the value of current M that measured from the retina. So right now I will remove this component and replace it with this component. So right now I want to get the value from the table of result. So the value that we get here is 11.22 milliampere. So we put it in the Excel. The value is 0.01122 ampere. Next, I will show you how I get the answer for the calculated of R Thevenin. So this answer I get from this calculation. So next, for this, how I get the calculated of voltage Thevenin A is I get it from this calculation. Next, how I get the answer for the calculated of voltage Thevenin V is I get it from this calculation. Next, for the answer of the calculated of total of voltage Thevenin, I get it from this calculation. So next, for the answer of calculated of ISC, I get it from this calculation. And lastly is for the answer for calculated of current in R4 is I get from this calculation. That's all from me. Thank you.